Now, I do have something to say, which I first said all the way back in 2019 in public, at least. I've been saying it for much longer than that privately, which is that diversification is for idiots. But most people are, in fact, idiots. As I said all the way back in 2019 in my waiting for Tesla stock to dip good luck video, which, by the way, was posted when the stock split adjusted was like 20-something bucks a share. It's aged like a fine fucking wine. I said, if you don't know what the fuck you are doing, sure, diversify. If you're petrified of risk, e.g. you won't be able to sleep well at night, sure, diversify. Got mouths to feed, e.g. you can't afford to be wrong, sure, diversify. If not, if you've really thought about an opportunity, analysed it, identified massive potential upside, minimal downside, completely asymmetrical, I see no harm in having the confidence to back your decision making. Now, of course, it may turn out that you think you're not an idiot and you are an idiot, and there's unknown unknowns. But I personally strongly object. The brain-dead philosophy among many so-called investors, and especially your broke-ass motherfucker financial advisor who still needs to work a full-time job. That's a bit awkward, isn't it? Financial advisor, not financially independent. Awkward. Wait, what? Who generically suggests that everybody must diversify. Diversification is an admission that you lack conviction and confidence around your investment decisions. It can be hard to determine from the outside, looking in at another investor, if they're brain-dead and have no idea what they're doing, or if they, in fact, have an extremely comprehensive understanding of an opportunity, a very high level of conviction, and will be proven right in the fullness of time. It's very hard to know unless you are the person making the decisions as to your thought process, how deep you've analysed the opportunity, what you've actually thought about. I guess the best way we could assess this would be looking at somebody's track record over time. Another way to determine whether or not somebody has a high level of conviction is if they stay the course while others panic and freak out and lose their fucking shit and have an emotional meltdown. Not going to name names, but I certainly did see this occur. A number of low conviction fly-by-night supposed Tesla investors came and went, claiming buy and hold for the long term, and then panicked. These people, I believe, exposed themselves for having not actually analysed the opportunity and or not having a high level of conviction and or just being not emotionally cut out for investing. Just adding some context here today, Tesla stock closing just under $460 per share, market cap $1.44 trillion, less than 6.9% away from an all-time high closing price.